Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to fix Twitter comments not loading properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different ways what we can try to do to fix this issue. So I'm going to go through the most popular fixes first. So the first fix is try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. So replies often fail to load if your connection is unstable. So now there's a few ways to do this. We can go ahead and turn airplane or flight mode on. So just go ahead and turn that on for 10 seconds, flight mode, airplane mode, whatever it says on your device. Now leave it off for 10 seconds and then obviously take it off. And now if you're using Wi-Fi data, go ahead and switch over to mobile data and vice versa. You can also restart your router as well. Now the next fix is to go ahead and click into Twitter. So I'm just going to type X. So click and hold down the app, click onto I, and now we want to go ahead and get into storage. So under usage storage, go ahead and clear the app cache. So this fixes most loading bugs. Now, if you're running any VPNs or ad blockers in the background, I highly suggest disabling them so replies may not load if something is blocking scripts like a VPN. So try temporarily disabling your VPNs, ad block extensions, privacy extensions, Brave Shields if using, etc, etc. We can also try using Twitter on a different device and seeing if that works. Now the last fix here is to make sure X is up to date. So do a search for X, Twitter, here it is here. So we want to make sure to update it. So go ahead and update it, because if you haven't updated it in a while, that might be causing those bugs.